and like this I will apply few drops. I'll spread it to the area. Wait for a maximum of 15 minutes.
Your soap has the property to clean your tan. That is the best thing ever, right? Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Girl next to this side. I hope you all are doing well. So if you are new and you like my content, please do consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then hello again. Today, I want to show you a full bath routine with, starting with face and whole body and on how to remove tan. So my point is that tan removal should not be a one-time affair. Rather, it is really affordable and needs to be a part of daily routine and daily bath routine. And I'm going to show you the whole regime which you can follow so that tan removal doesn't become a one-day affair where we are going to a salon spending a lot of money, but then sun is out there every day, everywhere, and we are going to get tanned right after coming out of the salon. So the best option is to include tan removal in our daily routine and into our bath routine. And I'm going to show you how you can do that with products that actually work and are not just marketing gimmicks. Okay, so I am going to show you products which I try on myself, and it is tried, tested. They are all affordable, I think, except for one, and you're gonna love it. Okay, so grab your coffee, sit there, and let's start the video. So at the start itself, I'm going to say sorry because the first product that I am going to show you is not really a product that can be used in the bath, but no tan removing video can ever be complete without this one product. And the one product that I'm going to talk about, is for removing facial tan, face tan, and that is none other than the Ordinary peeling solution. I already have a video made and I will link it somewhere on the top about the Ordinary peeling solution. It contains 30% AHA alpha hydroxy acid and 2% BHA beta hydroxy acid. It is basically facial in a bottle. I'll show you how it looks like. It is a beautiful, beautiful solution which removes tan in the easiest way. It is an anti-aging product as well. It removes dead skin when used regularly, removes pigmentation, and then it also lightens if you have any dark spots on your face. So it's a very good product, and it also exfoliates your skin very well. Okay, this is something which I use on my elbows as well, on my neck as well. If some part of my hand has become very tan, I use this on my hands as well because of its extremely good quality, and it is very, very potent. So because it is a potent acid, this is an acid by the way, there are some do's and don'ts which is already there in the video that I have made. I'll just take 10 seconds to tell you that this should not be used with retinol, this should not be used on freshly shaved skin, and this should not be kept on skin for more than 10 to 15 minutes because it is very potent. But no tan removal video I think is ever complete without this product, and that is why if you can get your hands on this, 30 ml of product cost 960 rupees, which is a bit pricey. Okay, but this is a very good product and must have is what I think. Now, if the Ordinary peeling solution is something that is out of your budget, I also have a budget-friendly alternative to remove facial tan. And that is none other than this Lotus whitening scrub. It is whitening scrub. It's called whitening scrub. But anyways, no product can whiten face like that. It can just remove tan. And that is exactly what it does and does the job very well. I don't think there is any facial scrub that I have ever come across that works as good as this one. It has oatmeal, it has yogurt, I don't know what else it has got, but it makes your skin very clean. It removes all the under eyes. Sometimes you have these patches, sometimes you have these dark spots. It removes it very, very well. I think this one costs around 310 rupees, 100 grams of product. The scrub particles are very good. Okay, they are not too big, they are not too small, they are exactly what you need. And this product is the best tan removing scrub that I have ever come across. So yeah. So if you are on the lookout to buy something that is affordable, definitely try this. Now moving over to body tan. Body is the largest part of our body, of our self, whatever. Basically, it takes the most time to get itself cleaned. We have to take more time and effort to clean our body. And that is why, if when you're washing your body and when you're cleaning it, okay, if imagine your soap has the property to clean your tan. That is the best thing ever, right? And the best tan removing soap that I have come across, and that is extremely good. No marketing gimmick here, pure medicated soap is this one. So this soap right here, Kozicare. So I know that a lot of you would be aware of, Kozicare, because many doctors around who, are dermatologists and to whom patients go for problems like skin pigmentation, they are often suggested Kozicare soap. And this is something that I have recently discovered, but I am loving it, absolutely loving it. If I may show you, so this contains soap bars. Like this is one of the soap bar, and it contains kojic acid, it contains glutathione, and there's a lot of other things, vitamin C, vitamin E. But the most important things that removes the tan, obviously, as you know, is glutathione, which is, we know that film stars use them for skin lightening purpose, but it's actually that, reduces the melanin production. And also, it uses kojic acid, something that renews skin and also increases collagen and also removes the tan very effectively. 3 bars of soap, I think, cost somewhere around 219 rupees, and it is very good. It is one bar of soap is something, there will be 3 bars like this, so each costs what, 70 rupees, 80 rupees. Okay, it is something that I use it on my whole body while taking bath. I use it on my face as well. For face, it might be a bit drying for some people, but then I immediately use a lotion or a cream after taking bath, so it does not really bother me. But it is very good for removing tan. I would suggest that among everything I'm showing you here, okay, it would be the Ordinary peeling solution, and it would be this soap that removes the best tan possible. So yeah, please get your hands on it. The next thing that I am going to talk about is something that I made at home, and I have already made a video on this. This is basically a coffee scrub. You can see how much I have made. I don't think it will fall, it will not fall, it will fall. Okay, this is what it looks like. It has the goodness of coffee, which removes tan, honey, which moisturizes the skin. I have used coconut oil, I have used body wash, and yeah, sugar as well, to create that kind of texture that helps to remove the tan and the dead skin. But because of the body wash, this is something that works as a body wash, like a body wash as well, scrub plus body wash. And also, this is something that can be used to remove tan. Now I will link it on the top, okay, how to make this. But once you make it, I think it's, it stays for a very long time. You can use this entire tub for almost 2 months. You can keep it in your bathroom instead of your regular body wash. You can use it, and it removes bumps on the skin, it removes tan, it exfoliates the skin, and it costs nothing because all these ingredients are already there in your kitchen, and it's extremely effective in removing tan and dead skin. So highly recommend this. Okay, now coming over to purely body scrubs, I have 2 products. So the first product, you will be surprised at how affordable it is. But if you think that, okay, because it costs only 180 rupees, by the way, it costs only 180 rupees, it is not going to be effective. That's not true. It is one of the most effective body scrub that I have ever come across, and this one is Dr. Rashel D10 body scrub. This huge tub, I think there is almost 380 ml of product. This huge tub costs only around 180 rupees. It very well, it removes tan, it even tones skin. Some people might have darker neck, darker elbows, Then knuckles also, sometimes people have darkness over there and pigmentation. Knees can also have a lot of pigmentation. If you have all those problems and you need some solution which is, very very affordable, this is something you can definitely consider. And just to add on, it is paraben and SLS free, dermatologically tested, and it is completely made of natural extract. I'll just show you how it is. And this is something that I would highly highly recommend for body, not for face at all, because the particles might be a bit rough for face, but for body this is very good. Especially I get a lot of tanning on my arms, okay, and I mean the ordinary peeling solution is really expensive. On my very huge arms I can't be using that all the time, so at that time I definitely go for this one. So if you're tight on a budget, definitely consider this one. Next up, I have the OG solution for body tanning and strawberry skin, which is the Bodywise 10% AHA body scrub. Now, this is one of the most viral products and one of the viral products that actually work. I know there are many products that influencers talk about, that actually don't work on me. So I obviously won't be suggesting them. But this one works on exfoliating your skin. This one works on strawberry skin. Some people have red bumps on their, legs and on the sides of the arms due to waxing. Those kind of problems gets eliminated by the regular use of this. People have ingrown hair. I mean, there's very less products that I have, researched that actually work on ingrown hair. And this is something that is very very effective to remove ingrown hair, because if you have ingrown hair, how much ever you do waxing, those hair doesn't come out. It's very difficult. For that part, again, people have to do threading. So you understand that ingrown hair is actually a problem, and this is something that actually works on ingrown hair. So exfoliation, ingrown hair removal, strawberry skin, tan removal, name it, this product does it. And this is also something that I use on my face as well. Sometimes when I'm just lazy and I don't feel like reaching out to a different product for my face, I use this on my face as well. Okay, guilty as charged. But this is something that can be used in the night and the day. Use it once every week and you're going to get the baby soft skin that you have always been dreaming about, which is tan free. Now this one contains around 200 grams of product, and I think the price is tagged as 499, but I got it for, I think I got it for 330 rupees. Okay, it's always on sale in Nykaa, Amazon, everywhere. I think this is available in the quick commerce as well. So yeah, if you want something, if you have strawberry skin and ingrown hair problem, then definitely try this one out. And by the way, all the products that I have shown here are not just for women. It is something that men can also use and include in their daily routine, bath routine, or in their skincare routine to remove tan, because I am 100% sure when I'm making this statement that men get tanned a lot more than women, because 70% of the time I know my husband forgets his sunscreen. So obviously you guys will be getting a lot more tanned. So this is not just for women. This entire everything that I have shown, you guys can use as well. And yeah, you also can shine like a moon like girls do. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, do subscribe. If you did, share it with your friends and family and help them to glow like a moon. So thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.